Hi mates, how's it going? As you know, don't say this is that crazy fella. As you know, we did a forge and works okay, but somebody said, why did people build these forges so big that they're pointless? Because they are. They're this big, and you're only doing this much aluminium or whatever you're doing. So this will be a several part video because I want you to join in and tell me or help me do what I'm doing. I'm going to put a pipe in here and a pipe out here. So this is going to be the fire chamber. Saw the top off, and I want to top the lift and swing open and then swing back and drop down, something like that. It'll probably make the same noise as well. Oil, right? So that will be on a steady doodly, so it can't fall over, right? So the flame goes in there, comes in here. Now I'm going to put a table here built onto this framework, which should be a half fire brick thing, and the flames off here will hit the crucible and this half round doodly, but the crucible is only going to be about this big. Right? With doodly on it, you can just pick it up, take it to your job and tip it. Because I want to weld a sleeve around here so it fits on it perfect. And then we'll do a pin hinge which lifts up. Okay, I can see how excited you are, and just leave some comments. That's all I'm asking. Leave some comments. If you don't think it's going to work, what's the point of carrying on? Do I carry on or regardless? So we're going to have a go, and that's what we're doing today. We're going to wrap that around there. Now I can use this, was my idea, because I couldn't do it with one hand. It's weird. 1 minute you weld it, runs like shite. The next minute, it's fucking beautiful. I'm just doing a normal everyday pin hinge, which is just the pipe going on there, sort of paper. Nothing special. We don't want to get into this. Oh, it's going to look better than yours because I don't really give a fuck. What if I get outside? All I know is that is very hot. It's raining there. Rain produces water. Water produces a coolant. Except for the coolant. Now that's got to be obviously pretty fucking square. Hup. Right, that's it. Ish. Pack up your troubles in your old kit bag and smile. Smile. I show my age sometimes, don't I? so we need to cut that out of that. And we're going to let that cool a bit. I made this quite a while ago. Some of you will remember. Shut that off a minute. Otherwise you'll have the electricity police out there. This was a absolutely cracking build. I'm surprised I don't use it more often. It was over the works for a long time. I'm going for it now because I'm getting impatient. Don't squeeze too much. And that's it. We finished. We can go home now. Oh no, you can't. We've got a weld that on there. Never leave your arm facing fucking up. Oh bloody damn as well. You know it's on there because the bottom's over there, in case you're wondering how the hell I knew that, but it is. Okay. I'm out there now. Anyone who had a hat would tell me I'm Bandula. Love you so. So we're going to do a side entry, show it vortexes, fucking hell, give this man an inch and take the fucking map. Let's put in that in there for a little health and safety going on. I'm doing this curving. I could cut the elongated out, but I haven't got a plasma cutter. Right. I think I did this too low, so I'm doing it up a good 4 inches, and I'm slightly aiming it up on one of the ones I've done, and then it started running back down the pipe, and then it came out there, obviously. So I'm making sure I don't do that, if you know what I'm telling you. If you don't, see my solicitor in the morning. Yeah, I wish I had my plasma cutter. X marks the chicken egg. Years ago it used to be babies. Now it's fucking dogs. No wonder you know I like going to work. But people will stay home all day. Sorry, I can't do that. I go fucking the ass. Right, we gotta cut that out with a disc cutter, so it's not that easy, but it is possible. Open up them pearly gates. Open them up, open them up. Anything is what they say, a knot is as good as a chink. Right, that's in. Stand up. It's not going to be that long. We're going to cut that off there. Right, we've done the inlet. It's got an hole there for oil in. Somebody said to wrap the tube around there so it preheats before the oil goes in, or around there, whatever we don't keep touching that, will you? Whatever we decide. So now we want a hole coming out like that, which gives you, look at me, I'm a fire hydrant. So we need a hole there. So we gotta cut that out. I got a feeling that's gonna fall off and wallop me on the fucking foot. Hopefully it will concave. I don't know where I got that from. I do not know. Back off! I do not know why I'm using it. There you go. A pretty good hole to weld your doodly in. That nearly fits in there. You'd have a laugh. I won't, because I'm not allowed to. People think I'm fucking enjoying myself. That's gonna go on there. Which is there. This is going to go straight into a half boon of fire bricks, like that. It'll be there forever. You're not moving it every 5 minutes. It's there. I want it mobile. That makes sense. That's what I want. So you've got to open that, drop your rag in, and start the flame, to turn on the gas, to turn on the air, to turn on the doodly. Somebody said put the pump a bit closer so it's not so far away. Coil the things. I do read your comments, and I will read every comment. How many rants must you do about a fucking truck? I will maybe spray that a bit. Oh, don't do it. Let me just see where the tight bits are. I can see them. Will it work? Won't it work? So, right, the first mistake. I welded the pipe on the burner the same size as the pipe that goes over the top, so I had to make a adapter. I've shortened the pipe, as you can see. This all fits, and it's that short now. That's 4 foot. We put a rag in there, lit it on fire. We're not going to run the oil yet till we're good and bastard ready. Good and bastard ready, yeah, good bastard ready, mate. Right, she's doing that. Switch the oil. I said that was thick paint, didn't I? I don't think that tap on there is giving enough supply to that there. Yeah. Right, I'll just show you the modifications before we go to plan B. Inside there now is a little bend, so the oil wants to go that way. I'm going to buy a elbow, and then we'll do a couple of wraps around here. Okay. I put that bar on it so I can lift that off, because I had quite a few problems getting that off tonight, today. So that's that. So we're still on bets if I put, I'm going to buy a 10mm ball tap, and we'll have a lot more flow of oil, because I don't think we was getting enough oil. It was going, it was hot, but it wasn't fucking glowing. This thing I just put a little, I made a little thing for there, so you can have it how you want it. Okay, and that's it, that's the video done. The black bits, obviously I had a bit of stove paint, so I just thought I'd hammer it with a bit of stove, see if it holds up. Right, back to the drawing board. Comments please. Am I going in the right direction?
Thank you.